Do you know the biggest problem with being a self-proclaimed mechanical engineer? Well, if you don't, it's the fact that we have to try and fix all of our problems in our own ridiculous ways. We found this old FRC robot chassis landing ramp and decided it wasn't cool enough. So we strapped a chair to it with some tie wire. And well, the rest is history. Now that the mechanical bits are done, we move on to the programming. This turned out to be pretty simple to accomplish, as long as we don't add any safety features. It's alive! And it drives. Not well, on the right side. But that might be since we're controlling it remotely. So, let's sit on it. We weren't expecting it to work great on our first attempt, and well, it didn't. 3 motors are feeling hot, and one is as cool as a cucumber. This means we have electrical issues with that motor. To further pinpoint the issue, we pulled out a thermal camera to trace the heat, as well as show you what we were feeling. Then we notice the hot motor controllers, but before we look closer, let's look around for any other heat-related issues. We notice these motors and ESCs aren't nearly as hot, so we found the issue. So we finally realized one of our motor controllers wasn't plugged in. Now, let's drive. It started out at 12.5. We haven't even gone down half a volt after about 2 hours of driving. This is pretty cool. Now that driving isn't constant driving, so it will probably go down a little bit more, but with all of our testing and everything. This is sick. Yeah. Join us next video in our journey to make this chair safe